Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Zamzow from FireRescueFitness.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to make slow cooker salsa chicken. It's a very easy and fast recipe. It'll be great for your crew, great for your family. I hope you like it, you make it, and let me know if you do what you think.
Slow cooker salsa chicken. Ingredients: you need a slow cooker, chicken, salsa, I like to use mango, spices, low-fat mozzarella cheese, and dog chews? No on the dog chews. You want to add chicken, spices, and salsa to the slow cooker. The spices that I use today are garlic salt, pepper, and a little Lowry's. Just make sure you place enough salsa to coat the chicken. Cover and cook. Low setting for 4 to 6 hours, or the high setting on 2 to 3 hours. Make sure the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Next, place the chicken from the slow cooker into a non-stick pan. Coat the chicken with the salsa that's from that slow cooker. Sprinkle with some low-fat mozzarella cheese. And then you want to place in the oven for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. This will just be enough time to melt the cheese on the top. And boom, tasty chicken salsa. Serve with some veggies and potatoes, and you have yourself a nice Firehouse meal.